I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live by the light that I have. I must stand with anybody that stands right, and stand with him while he is right, and part with him when he goes wrong. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts. Sir, my concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. How many legs does a dog have if you call his tail a leg? 4. Saying that a tail is a leg doesn't make it a leg. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell. It is simply purgatory. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep on doing so until the end. I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives. I like to see a man live so that his place will be proud of him. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. We the people are the rightful masters of both Congress and the courts, not to overthrow the Constitution, but to overthrow the man who perverted the Constitution. Let not him who is houseless pull down the house of another, but let him work diligently and build one for himself, thus by example assuring that his own shall be saved from violence when built. It is with your aid as the people that I think we shall be able to preserve, not the country, for the country will preserve itself, but the institution of the country, those institutions which have made us free, intelligent and happy, the most free, the most intelligent and the happiest people on the globe. The dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. The occasion is piled high with difficulty, and we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it, not for themselves, and under the rule of just God cannot long retain it. Allow the President to invade a neighboring nation whenever he shall deem it necessary to repel any invasion, and you allow him to do so whenever he may choose to say he deems it necessary for such purpose, and you allow him to make war at pleasure. If this is coffee, please bring me some tea, but if this is tea, please bring me some coffee. This country with its institution belongs to the people who inhabit it. Whenever they shall grow weary of the existing government, they can exercise their constitutional right of amending it, or exercise their revolutionary right to overthrow it. Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth. 407 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a nation conceived in laboratory and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. What killed a skunk in the publicity it gives itself. Thank you very much.